important ingredient for success. Discipline is a sense of obeying the rules or supervision and control. Discipline is an attempt to give objects a sense of value or an obsession with obeying rules. Discipline is a good attitude, but not everyone can have discipline such as self-discipline, scientific discipline, and so on. In practice, discipline is needed in every of our activities, starting from school, society, work, even ourselves. As we know, discipline is important for ourselves. Discipline also the most important ingredient for success because discipline can make us be able to manage our time. Therefore, self-discipline must be keep in ourselves in order we can carry out activities in accordance with the duties and function. If we always doing our work by discipline, we can be able to reach our target and become successful. Okay, that's all my argument about self-discipline. Thank you. Wassalam.